Ever imagine yourself like as a medical detective,
Okay, yeah.
specializing in, say, the intricate workings of the human heart?
Mm,
That's the world we're diving into today,
I like it.
the journey of a specialized doctor.
And it's a journey that really resonates with people who crave a deep understanding
Yeah,
of a particular field,
right.
who want to be the go-to expert.
You hit the nail on the head. We've got some great insights from RoleCatcher,
Okay.
a platform that helps people navigate specialized careers.
Right, right.
They don't shy away from the dedication this path demands,
Hmm.
but they capture the why so well.
Absolutely. One pediatric cardiologist they profiled described the moment a young patient who had undergone successful heart surgery looked up at her and said, "You fixed my broken heart."
Wow.
Yeah.
Talk about powerful motivation.
Right,
But alongside those incredible highs, RoleCatcher doesn't sugarcoat the realities.
right.
We're talking long hours, potential exposure to hazards.
Yeah,
It's about understanding the weight of those decisions.
exactly. It's a balance.
Right.
And that's where specialization gets really interesting. It's not just about being a doctor. It's about becoming the doctor in a very specific niche.
You know, when I think about diving deep into a specialization, one field that immediately comes to mind is pediatric cardiology.
A fantastic example.
Yeah.
You're talking about becoming an expert in the heart health of children,
Hmm.
from diagnosing complex conditions to potentially performing surgery. Imagine guiding families through incredibly challenging times. This is where that human element we talked about really shines through.
It's not just about knowing the science.
Right.
It's about connecting with patients and families on a deeply personal level.
Yeah.
And to reach that level of expertise, RoleCatcher emphasizes the importance of understanding the hierarchy within medicine.
Okay.
They break down the stages of a specialized doctor's career, starting with the role of a junior doctor.
Right. Think of this as your apprenticeship. You're fresh out of medical school, working alongside experienced specialists, absorbing everything you can. You're conducting initial assessments, assisting with procedures, and building a strong foundation for your future career.
RoleCatcher even provided an example profile of someone in this stage, talking about how they honed their analytical and problem-solving skills,
Yes,
essential for any aspiring specialist.
absolutely. But the journey doesn't stop there. As you progress, you might take on the role of a consultant,
Okay.
leading a team, developing treatment plans, maybe even contributing to medical research.
So you're not just treating patients, you're shaping the future of healthcare.
Exactly.
Speaking of those different career stages, you've highlighted how a doctor's responsibilities evolve over time.
Hmm.
But no matter how senior you become, there's a set of skills that remain essential throughout your career, the soft skills.
And RoleCatcher doesn't just mention these in passing. They dedicate a whole section to it. They highlight communication, empathy, and the ability to work under pressure, all crucial for building trust with patients and colleagues.
And you know what's interesting? They've even designed their interview prep materials with this in mind.
Wow.
They don't just focus on technical knowledge, they provide sample questions designed to assess these soft skills. It's like they're saying, we get it, being a good doctor is about more than just textbooks.
It's true. It really is. RoleCatcher really seems to understand that medicine, especially at this specialized level, requires a deep understanding of human nature.
Yeah.
You're dealing with people at their most vulnerable, navigating complex emotions alongside intricate medical conditions.
It's like that quote we mentioned earlier, you fixed my broken heart. That's not just about medical expertise.
Right.
It's about the human connection that makes this field so rewarding.
Yeah.
But RoleCatcher also acknowledges the toll it can take. We're talking long hours, high-pressure situations,
Yeah.
constantly adapting to new research and advancements.
It's a lot.
It requires a certain resilience.
And that's where I think their approach to career guidance really stands out. They don't
Yeah.
just focus on getting you through the interview.
Yeah.
They provide like a bigger picture perspective.
Okay.
For example, they have a whole section dedicated to physician burnout,
Really?
offering practical advice on maintaining work-life balance and prioritizing mental well-being.
It's like they're saying, yes, this career is demanding, but your well-being is essential to providing the best possible care.
Absolutely.
And that resonated with me because when you're passionate about something like those doctors, that RoleCatcher profile,
Right.
it's easy to get caught up in the demands and forget to take care of yourself.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And remember, this journey, it isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. RoleCatcher outlines those clear stages of progression, from junior doctor to consultant, reminding you that growth happens over time. They even provide salary ranges for each stage, so you have a realistic idea of what to expect.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Talking about those stages, let's jump ahead a bit. Imagine reaching that coveted senior consultant level. You're no longer just learning, you're leading.
Right.
What does that look like according to RoleCatcher?
They paint a picture of someone who's not just a master clinician, but also a mentor, a leader, potentially even a researcher. You're shaping healthcare policy, influencing treatment protocols, and guiding the next generation of specialists.
Wow, it's a far cry from those early days of shadowing senior doctors.
Right.
But as you said, each stage builds on the last. You're constantly accumulating knowledge, refining skills, expanding your network.
Mm-hmm.
But what stood out to me was RoleCatcher's emphasis on continuous learning,
Yes.
even at that senior level.
Yes. Medicine is constantly evolving. New discoveries, technologies, treatment approaches, it never stops. And RoleCatcher highlights the importance of staying ahead of the curve.
They specifically mention attending conferences, publishing research, even pursuing additional certifications. It's like they're saying, congratulations on reaching the top, but the learning never truly ends.
And that's what makes this career path so fascinating. It's intellectually stimulating, constantly challenging you to expand your knowledge and refine your skills. It's not for everyone, but for those who thrive on that constant evolution, it can be incredibly rewarding.
Speaking of rewarding, RoleCatcher provides a fascinating glimpse into the world of subspecialization,
Okay.
which takes that idea of diving deep to a whole new level. It's like you've chosen your favorite book genre,
Right.
but then you discover there are entire worlds within that world.
Like, you've gone like micro, even more micro than before.
Exactly. And RoleCatcher uses the example of pediatric cardiology. You could become an expert in a specific type of heart surgery for children,
Right.
or focus on a particular heart condition that affects young patients.
Exactly. It's about taking your expertise to that granular level,
Right.
becoming the leading authority in a very specific niche.
And imagine the impact.
Yeah.
You're not just contributing to a field,
Right.
you're pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Yeah.
RoleCatcher highlights doctors who've dedicated their careers to developing new surgical techniques or pioneering groundbreaking treatments,
Right.
all thanks to their pursuit of subspecialization.
And that level of focus often leads to those incredible breakthroughs.
Right.
It's about becoming like that go-to person, the one who other specialists consult with
Right.
for those highly specific cases.
It reminds me of something else RoleCatcher emphasized throughout their guide.
Okay.
The importance of finding your niche
Yes.
within a niche.
Within a niche.
They even suggest attending conferences and workshops focused on those subspecializations
Right.
to really immerse yourself in the latest advancement.
It's all about that continuous learning we were talking about earlier. Always seeking those opportunities to,
Yeah.
expand your knowledge and refine your skills.
It's inspiring, honestly.
It is.
RoleCatcher doesn't just present a career path.
Right.
They showcase the incredible impact and fulfillment
Right.
that comes with dedicating yourself to a field you're passionate about.
Absolutely. And the best part is, you don't have to have it all figured out right away.
Right.
Explore, research, connect with specialists in your field.
Yeah.
And most importantly, as RoleCatcher suggests,
Yeah.
don't be afraid to
Yeah.
ask questions.
That's such a great point to end on.
It is.
Because whether you're just starting medical school, considering specialization, or even a seasoned professional,
Right.
curiosity and a thirst for knowledge are essential.
Absolutely.
And speaking of essential tools, RoleCatcher offers over 3,000 free career guides
Wow.
on their platform.
That's amazing.
They cover everything from writing a stellar CV to navigating the world of fellowships and research grants.
It's a treasure trove of information.
It is.
And it's all designed to empower you
Yeah.
to take control of your career path.
So if this deep dive into the world of specialized doctors has sparked your curiosity, head over to RoleCatcher and explore those resources.
Please do.
And here's a final thought as you embark on this journey within your chosen field.
Okay.
What niche truly captivates you? What mysteries are you most eager to unravel? Those questions, my friend, are the seeds of true specialization.